No, you're supposed to be at 37E.
No.
Ma'am.
You think I would make this up? You think I would hold everybody
It's right
up?
here.
It's also right here.
Hey, sir. There's an issue with her. On her app, it's saying 13E.
On May 17, 2024, Broward County deputies responded to a Spirit Airlines flight at Fort Lauderdale Airport. A passenger refused to leave seat 13E, despite crew instructions.
So, I'm going to ask her to come out.
Would you please?
Will she come out? Does she have luggage
Yes.
with her?
She does have a personal item on a carry-on.
Okay.
Yeah. She's insistent that you don't have to upload everyone.
How's everything? Okay, and you don't want her flying at all, not even if she moves her seat? Okay. All right, I'm gonna have to, what's her name? Camille Fair. All right, have her come up here. Yes.
She's supposed to sit in this seat. She don't want to go.
Well, now the captain says no, it doesn't matter.
Want to get out.
So can you ask her to come up here, please?
She's not gonna come.
Not gonna come.
She said you have to drag her because she's not going nowhere. That's what she said.
Unless you get that reference here.
3 Kilo 1. Give me a 49 commercial flyer for Terminal 1.
Hello, Camille? How are you? Deputy Soto.
I'm grieving is actually how I'm doing. I'm trying to get to a funeral.
I'm sorry.
Today.
Okay, ma'am, I'm sorry about
Today.
that. But now...
I'm sitting in my assigned seat.
No, you're supposed to be at 37E.
No.
Ma'am.
You think I would make this up? You think I would hold everybody
It's right
up?
here.
It's also right here.
That's a screenshot, ma'am.
It's the app, view my boarding pass. Why would I make that up? Why would I make that up? It's unspirited spirit. You think I'm going to waste my time?
Ma'am, it says 13E.
That's where I am.
All right, give me a minute. Let me see your phone. Listen,
No, I'm trying
to help you.
Are you?
Yes,
because
ma'am.
isn't everyone else seen this?
I came here respectfully.
I understand that, but I've been so
trying to help
disrespected.
you. Let
Do
me
you
show it to
understand?
the
I'm just trying to get
I understand.
to Chicago.
But right
I have
now,
a funeral
this is the thing.
tonight.
But this is the
I've been
thing.
working all
Okay,
day.
I understand.
I don't work
You're
for
not-
spirit.
I know that.
But I'm tired.
Okay.
I'm trying to be
I'm
patient.
trying-
I've lost my zen.
Okay, relax. Relax. Just take it down just a little. I'm trying to help you.
Then talk to
Okay,
them.
let me go talk to them, but I need to see the phone. I'm gonna give it right back. I'm on body camera. I'm not gonna take your phone.
I don't think that you're going to take my phone. I would just like to have my body camera. You see what I'm saying?
Okay. Let me see what
I'm
I can
not
do.
from Florida.
Let me see what I can do. Okay? If you're correct, then everything should
Why
be
would
fine.
I make this up?
Well, because everything is here saying that you're on 30. You're supposed to be 37E. So I don't know what the mix-up is.
They mixed it up, which
Give me
they
1
need
minute.
to fix.
Let me see.
That's not
That's
my
the app, right?
Yes,
it's the
it
app.
is.
Okay. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Let me talk to the captain. Hey, sir. I know it's on her app, though.
Yeah, but if she refreshed, she would have seen her seat.
A screenshot.
Okay.
That's a screenshot.
That's a screenshot.
She opened it up for me, so show me how.
Yeah, let me show you this.
Let me see.
And then ours too. Yeah.
This is on her wallet. I understand she. Hey, sir. There's an issue with her. On her app, it's saying 13E. So the thing is, with the ticket, her and Spirit, something happened. But she's supposed to be, from when she originally purchased the ticket, it said 13E. But now she's being told she got to go. So I understand her not wanting to leave, but something's got to give with her and Spirit. Then it's not. You see what I'm saying? I don't want to kick somebody off who doesn't deserve to be kicked off because of an error. That's my concern.
Here's my concern. If she's not complying with the flight instructions, that's a no-brainer.
No, I understand that.
Flight instructions on the airplane, she's not complying with the air. I don't want her on the airplane.
No, I understand that.
I don't know, but I'm gonna tell you right now. What's your name again?
Why don't you ask them
I'm speaking to you. What's your name?
My name is my name.
don't know your name because I didn't speak to you. So let's hold on. Let's have a conversation like two human beings. All right, so I'm gonna tell you. Listen, that's fine. You don't want to have a conversation? That's fine. Let me tell you what's gonna happen.
What is there a conversation?
You're gonna come off the plane. If you refuse to come off the plane, I'm gonna take this. I'm giving you your last warning. You refuse to come off the plane, you're gonna go to jail today. I'm gonna deplane everyone off the plane. I'm gonna drag you off the plane. That's fine. I'll give you my last warning. All right. She says she's not coming off.
15039.
From the aircraft.
I tried.
No, I think you did.
I tried.
No, I heard.
I tried. I tried.
We came here was the police.
Yeah. Yeah, they were here earlier for a different flight. No, different flight. 36 earlier, different flight. An incoming flight. Huh? You're where?
So mom and daughter, the underage child.
While they're waiting, let me get a picture of your ID. Yep. Let me get a picture of your ID. Oh, you have your ID on you?
I just talked to the chief pilot. Third time it's happened today. Just to let you know. Twice in Atlanta. This is the third time.
Oh, really? It's one of those days.
Here's the other thing. She's in a accident. You got somebody emotionally disturbed and upset, and now they're in an accident.
Yeah. Who knows if she's even telling us? Yeah. What is your?
You're not saying people lied.
No. Oh,
I don't think anybody ever lied to me in all my years on the police department. Nobody ever lied to me.
Yep. What's your phone number, son?
954.
To be honest with you, there were some people wanting to give up their seats for her.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It was too late. I thought they were exiting out. Hey, I'll give up my seat for her. I'm like, too late. You know, I don't even think that would have helped. You know?
No, she's not moving out. She's just.
She's adamant because of the fact it says, and I told her, I said, this happened to me before. I showed up for my flight, my seat was changed. And it says right there, it says, you know, subject to change. It happened. We try, but it is what it is. That's it.
Sergeant's on the way to stand by.
All right. Yeah, she's the supervisor, right?
Yeah.
Let me get your information. You just thought, well, welcome to Fort Lauderdale. I tried to help her.
All right.
Yeah, that's what we do. That's why we deplane the plane, yeah.
You gotta come over.
Nope.
You gonna come off the plane, or we gonna let us use force against you? All right.
You really want to go to jail? You really want to go to jail? Okay, let's not make it a second time or a third time. Let's just get off the plane. It's a final chance. Because once the handcuffs go on, there's no negotiating. That's it. Either get off the plane or go to jail.
I'm not doing anything.
One last chance. Off the plane or off the plane and go to jail.
What am I doing?
I'm not going to tell you. Off the plane or off the plane and go to jail. You choose right now. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Off the plane? Hold on, Q. Wait, off the plane and go to jail. Pick one.
He's asking you, please stand up and walk off.
All right.
If you stand up and walk off, you can rebook.
3, 2. If not, you're going to jail. Come on, come on. Let's go. Come on, stand up. 10-4. Just going with your stuff.
In the bag.
Put it in. That's your only bag, ma'am? Is somebody ramside? Yep, I can see it. Hey, you want to bring a ramside? Yeah. We ramside, we're going to right through here, right? Right through here. Yep. Let's go. you open it?
No, I don't have the. Someone has the code?
I got it. Got it?
Careful now. Don't get me in no trouble.
We're gonna go.
Quieres una parte para yo te engordar, pero quieres una parte para
Nope.
The core legal issue. Under 49 U.S.C. Section 44,902, the pilot in command holds near absolute authority to refuse transport. Once exercised, this decision is final and unreviewable on the aircraft. The passenger's mobile app displayed seat 13E. The airline system showed 37E. This discrepancy is irrelevant. Federal aviation law creates a bright line rule. The captain's decision terminates all passenger rights to remain on board. Deputy Soto's initial approach demonstrates textbook de-escalation. He gathered intelligence from crew before contact, acknowledged the passenger's emotional state regarding a funeral, and examined her mobile evidence despite the captain's final decision. Florida Statute 877.03 defines disorderly conduct as acts affecting the peace and quiet of persons who may witness them. The passenger's demand to deplane all other passengers while she remained created sustained disruption to dozens of witnesses. The crew's decision to deplane the entire aircraft was tactically sophisticated. It eliminated ambiguity about trespass status, removed witnesses to potential use of force, and created social pressure through visible consequences. At this juncture, three criminal theories converge. First, trespass, remaining on private property after the owner's agent ordered departure. Second, disorderly conduct under the statute cited. Third, potential forgery under Florida Statute 831.01 if the boarding document was knowingly fabricated. Deputy Soto's final warning employed binary framing: off the plane or go to jail. This eliminates later claims of misunderstanding and provides final opportunity for voluntary compliance. Notice the absence of negotiation language at this stage. Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989, established the objective reasonableness standard for police use of force. Three factors apply: crime severity, immediate threat level, and active resistance. Deputy Soto's response satisfies all three. The force continuum progressed properly. Officer presence, verbal dialogue, verbal commands, explicit warnings, and finally, basic escort holds when compliance occurred. No strikes, no pain compliance techniques, no weapons deployment. The passenger's statement, "It happened the first time, it happened the second time," suggests prior incidents. This indicates pattern awareness rather than genuine confusion about aviation law enforcement procedures. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, decided in 2001, confirms custodial arrest is constitutionally permissible for minor misdemeanors. The deputy possessed clear authority to arrest for disorderly conduct had voluntary compliance not occurred. Deputy Soto receives a B+. His pre-contact investigation, conversational opening, and structured countdown reflect sound technique. Audible frustration during final exchanges and absence of explicit lawful order framing prevent a higher mark. The passenger receives a D. Federal preemption of carrier authority left her no legal ground to occupy. Voluntary departure at the final warning is the only fact preventing a failing grade and additional resisting charges. The Spirit Airlines crew and pilot receive an A- for following proper escalation protocol and lawful command authority. The system's failure causing app versus booking discrepancy represents the sole deficiency requiring correction. Key lessons. Passengers must understand the captain's refusal to transport authority is absolute and immediate. Disputes resolve through customer service after deplaning, never through standoffs that generate criminal liability. For law enforcement, investigative diligence before enforcement builds legitimacy. Examine passenger evidence even when the captain's decision is final. Clear binary choices at decision points eliminate ambiguity and preserve documentation. For airlines, proactive notification when seat assignments change prevents these confrontations. Text message confirmation of any modification eliminates the technical discrepancy that initiated this entire incident. The constitutional framework here is unambiguous. The Fourth Amendment seizure was justified by probable cause for trespass. The minimal force used passes Graham's reasonableness test. No procedural due process violation occurred. Florida courts require disorderly conduct to involve corrupt acts affecting public peace. The demand to deplane all passengers, combined with sustained disruption, plausibly satisfies that statutory threshold. On the forgery question, Florida Statute 831.01 requires knowingly displaying fabricated documents with intent to deceive. The mobile app screenshot appeared legitimate, suggesting technical glitch rather than intentional fraud. Deputy Soto's body camera documentation provided complete accountability. Every statement, every warning, every use of force was recorded. This protects all parties and eliminates post hoc disputes about what occurred. The passenger's fundamental error was attempting courtroom litigation in an operational environment. Federal aviation regulations provide no mechanism for passengers to appeal captain decisions while on aircraft. The venue for dispute resolution is customer service, civil court, or regulatory complaint. From a tactical perspective, Deputy Soto exceeded minimum legal requirements. He could have immediately arrested for trespass when the passenger refused the captain's order. Instead, he invested over 10 minutes in de-escalation attempts. The passenger's voluntary compliance at the final moment demonstrates the effectiveness of clear consequence communication. When subjects understand the binary choice and believe enforcement will follow, compliance typically occurs. Aviation law enforcement differs from street policing in one critical aspect. The captain's authority preempts nearly all passenger rights. Officers function as enforcement arms of federal aviation regulations, not as arbiters of commercial disputes. The crew's professional demeanor throughout prevented escalation. No raised voices, no threatening language, no emotional responses to the passengers' accusations. They maintained operational focus while deferring enforcement to appropriate authorities. This incident illustrates why airlines maintain no-fly lists. A passenger who refuses lawful crew instructions once may do so again. The disruption cost here includes delayed or canceled flights for hundreds of connecting passengers. For future reference, when a captain orders your removal, you have exactly two legal options. Comply voluntarily and pursue remedies afterward, or remain and face arrest. There is no third option under federal aviation law. The mobile app discrepancy highlights a systems integration failure. Modern airlines operate multiple platforms for check-in, boarding, and seat assignment. When these systems fail to synchronize, passengers receive contradictory information that creates precisely this type of conflict. Deputy Soto's decision to show the passenger's phone to the captain was commendable, but legally unnecessary. Once the captain refuses transport, the reason becomes irrelevant. The deputy exceeded his legal obligation in attempting to verify the technical issue. The final assessment. This case demonstrates proper law enforcement response to aviation authority conflicts. Minor technical improvements in officer communication could elevate performance, but the fundamental approach was constitutionally sound and tactically appropriate. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.